Everyone, my name is Shah, and what is going on with the crypto markets today? We're having a crash. If you're still holding your coins, smash that like button. If you believe crypto is still in the biggest trajectory it's ever had in history, smash that like button. Comment what you believe are the predictions for 2021. And do you believe we are in mass adoption? What is going on with El Salvador? What is going on with regulation? Are we going into a bear market, or are we going to the moon? Will we see a six-figure Bitcoin? Will we see a five-figure Ethereum? And will we continue to see the rich ecosystem spread like Avalanche, like Harmony, like Elrond, like Phantom? These types of protocols are absolutely going crazy. Polkadot trying to be a zero layer protocol. Atom, Cosmos Atom trying to also do the same. Terra Luna on top of Cosmos's foundation. Terra Luna offering 20% savings accounts. We're talking about 100+% in yield farming. We're talking about an easy 12% staking on Polkadot. We're talking about parachains and Kusama and Karura and Akala. We're talking about AVAX punks, ICP punks. We're talking about Bored Apes on OpenSea, Ethereum. We're talking about Cardano, NFTs. We're talking about Solana NFTs. What's next? Phantom NFTs. And if you've been following the narrative, you've been following my episodes, you know that we are very bullish on MTV, a first layer protocol that has one of the founders of KuCoin, Sean Ying, under an $80 million market cap, maybe even under a $70 million market cap, because of what happened the last 2 days. It's been bloody. Let me know if anyone anticipated this. Let me know what your strategy is in the comments below. But let me tell you what my strategy is. My strategy moving forward and how it has been over the last few months as NFTs have exploded and as DeFi has made new blockchains just absolutely explode. Ethereum with gas fee problems, even after EIP 1559, Cardano releasing smart contracts September 12th, but still over 2,600 smart contracts ready to go, but these projects are delayed because they don't want to get it wrong. Polkadot, Dr. Gavin Wood working on these parachains, Solana blockchain going down for 7 hours, and Dr. Gavin Wood saying, what does TPS really matter? Transactions per second. That's why we believe heavily in MTV, but that's also why we start by stacking these first layer protocols or zero layer protocols. What's a zero layer protocol? It's something such as Polkadot or Cosmos, where they're trying to create a bridge and allow platforms and networks and blockchains like Ethereum to build on top of them. Even though Ethereum allows dApps to build on their blockchain, Dr. Gavin Wood's goal and Cosmos Atom's goal as well is to be a zero layer protocol, bringing us to true interoperability. That is the keyword, interoperability, while staying decentralized. That is what gives people the power. That is what makes crypto the people's money. El Salvador, buying the dip. Michael Saylor, buying the dip. Are you buying the dip? Let me know in the comments below. There's so much going on. Coinbase, SEC with XRP, regulations happening to centralized exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase, two of the biggest exchanges in the whole entire world. But what are they going to do? They can't stop the government. They have to play. They have to play their game. They have to go with it. That's why DEXs, that's why privacy coins will gain traction. Right now, it is a global attack against cryptocurrency. But if you're not dropping your coins, well, kudos to you. If you're stabling up, you're stacking your stable coin, well, good for you too. Maybe you have experience doing this. But for me, I'm a long-term holder. I dollar cost average. And I try to get us into projects that I believe are early and have the chance to do more than a 10x. When we talk about blue chips in the top 100, we're going to get a 2 to a 10x in this bull run. But when we talk about low cap gems, those are the ones that are a little bit more high risk, but the potential, if you know what you're doing, if you can navigate around the narrative, see what's going on from first layer protocols to decentralized finance to NFTs to go back into the original coin, well, then you have figured out the game, my friend. And the game here is to make sure that you are up to date. Make sure you have your Twitter and are following all these NFT projects if you want to get the latest and best projects in the ecosystem, because a lot of them are not even marketing because they believe in organic growth and community and low gas fees, because Ethereum gas fees, let's face it, they're just way too high. And it is becoming a problem for the retail investor. So how do people make their NFT assets liquid? It's much easier to purchase than to make that asset liquid. We have billionaires moving their money into NFTs as well as regulations crack down. So what are we going to do as a whole? Are we going to buy the dip? All coins are going down. Are we going into a bear market? I don't think so. BitBoy Crypto thinks so. Elio Trades doesn't think so. But you let me know what you think. I don't think we're going into a bear market. I think we're entering mass adoption. And you want to know why I say that? Because I just named so many projects, first layer protocols, dApps, NFT platforms, and for the first time ever, it's starting to feel like an overload. I've always been able to bring content at a fast pace or one at a time, but it's going at a pace where I just felt like I needed to regurgitate everything that is coming at me. You know, Terra Luna with savings account of 20%, Terra Luna being built on Cosmos, but them also having UST as their stable coin. And of course, Cosmos Atom will adopt that. Then we see Kusama and Polkadot, these zero-layer protocols trying to become truly interoperable is an amazing thing. We haven't even started to think about DAOs. We haven't even really gone into the music scene of NFTs. We're still on the avatar stage. We haven't even truly entered the metaverse. So you tell me, is this the institutions trying to shake your coins out of your hands and buy the dip? Because El Salvador bought the dip, and so did Michael Saylor. Did you sell your coins or did you stack up on them? It's okay to hodl. It's okay to not know what you don't know. No one can say 100% for sure, just like nobody can buy perfectly at the bottom and sell perfectly at the top, but we can do our due diligence and do the best we can to follow the narrative and follow the trends, because the trends are your friends, okay? I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. If you're ever going to put any money into any type of cryptocurrency, please do your due diligence. The space is very risky and very volatile. But my one rule of thumb for everyone watching is, if you buy in a bull run, sell in a bull run. If you buy in a bear market, hold long term. All right, guys, that's everything from me today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. But as always, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time. So I'll see you next time on the next episode.